Janice Cabale with Cabale Media, and in today's video, we're talking about B2C email marketing part 2. Last week, we went through 1 through 10. Again, my goal is to make sure that I give you the strategies to hopefully implement them into your current marketing strategy or your new marketing strategy when it comes to all things email marketing. Just to put these videos out there and get it done as fast as we can. We did 1 through 10. Today, we're going to do 11 through 20. So here they are. Abandoned cart emails. Now, abandoned cart emails are some of the best emails you could ever send because they're reminders, and you generally send them about an hour after an abandoned cart. It's a follow-up offering them a 24-hour discount generally, and then a final reminder would say social proof or product reviews. These are all great for abandoned carts because it helps recover lost sales by reminding the customer that, hey, you left something in the cart, here's a discount, you should purchase it now. And then it just makes inactive customers become active and then make that purchase. I've seen thousands of dollars in abandoned cart sales, which most flows do, but abandoned cart is one of your tried and true holy grail flows that all companies should have in their email marketing arsenal. Abandoned cart email is at number 11. And in the last video we covered, I believe, email designs that convert. It's just something I want to bring up because you always want to have mobile optimized designs, clear call to action, and using visuals that attract attention to the key offers. Email analytics 101, tracking open rates, subject line effectiveness, using conversion rates to assess the email, monitoring click-through rates. Analyzing your email performance helps refine your strategy, and you can continuously improve your emails for better results. Your first welcome email or first email of the series sets the tone for you and your customer, builds your relationship or starts your relationship. Engaging new subscribers with compelling content and offers, your brand story or product recommendations helps turn new subscribers into paying customers very quickly. Email welcome series, your first impression is very important. The power of urgency. A lot of people use FOMO. 24 hours, limited stock, last call, offer ends at midnight. Urgency just drives action. If they think it's the last couple of hours, if they think it's only a couple of days, or a couple of minutes, whatever it is, prompting recipients to act quickly will for sure increase your ROI and increase conversions. Will for sure increase your ROI and increase conversion. Growing your list the right way. Offering discounts from your form signups. Offering a discount from your lead gen, so that's generally your 15% off, 10% off, 20% off. Adding sign up key touch points to your website. So it's, the general lead gen that pops up when you sign up. And then in the footer, and then running social media contests that helps bring in email addresses. Growing your list the right way, not buying lists. Building a list requires strategic planning, so make sure you do it the right way. Using enticing lead magnets, as we just spoke about, 10, 15, 20% off. Well-placed sign-up forms, lead gen footer, and then interactive contests to bring customers to the website and then getting their email address. So growing your list the right way. Number 15. To use email to cross-sell and upsell. Personalization, this is where it comes into play. You're offering premium upgrades based on popular items, suggesting bundles from things they purchased in the past, things that can complement their past purchases, or things that would go great with their past purchases, and complimentary product recommendations post-purchase. So when you're thanking them with that post-purchase email, it doesn't hurt to add a line or a row of products underneath thank you. It does work. Cross-selling and upselling significantly increases the average order value. By showing customers other products that they can potentially buy, intrigues them to maximize revenue with minimal effort. Email marketing and brand loyalty, 17. Invitations to VIP or special events is a great way to build brand loyalty. Points programs, early access to sales, and then regular newsletters with exclusive offers. Exclusive content, VIP offers, early access. These are perks that will turn casual shoppers into dedicated fans. By communicating through email, it just creates a relationship. They're building trust, brand loyalty, and then making your subscribers feel special. email marketing and brand loyalty. Re-engagement campaigns. Number 8, sending we miss you emails, re-engagement surveys to see what they're looking for, how can we improve, and then countdown emails before removing inactive subscribers. Re-engagement campaigns help bring customers back that have been inactive, whether through discounts, personalized offers, or surveys. These emails just provide an opportunity to rekindle the interest of customers who have already drifted away. And it does happen. Not a big deal. You'll gain more customers. Holiday emails for maximum profit. Black Friday sales, last minute Christmas gifts, and then New Year's fresh start deals. These are prime opportunities to drive sales because it's very targeted during the holidays. By preparing timely offers and then promotions around key holidays, you can capitalize on several seasonal demands and boost profit. 20. Optimizing your call to action. Shop now versus grab yours today. Test those CTAs. Urgencies. Claim your offer before it's gone, and then place multiple CTAs throughout the email, which I hate. Only do that if you have a lot of products. We'll get into that another time. An optimized CTA is key to driving clicks and conversions. Use a clear CTA, action-oriented language, right? So click now, shop now, and then place your CTAs prominently to ensure that the reader knows exactly what to do next. CTAs for the win. There it is, short and sweet, 11 through 20. And if you like this video, you can like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment down below, subscribe here, hit the notification bell. Summer's officially over, but anyway, that's besides the point. I hope to provide you with more videos every week at the same time, at the same place. This video is made just for you. Again, you can email me at jcabale@cabalemedia.com. You can go to cabalemedia.com, get your free 30-minute consultation, and then we can leave it right there. This is Janice Cabale with Cabale Media, and I'll see you at the next video.